With this video we explain you the features of our new order form in YachtSys. You get to the new order form via planning in the menu under Cockpit or by clicking on the planning icon. In the planning, select a base and a period for which you want to create an order, and select one of following features for creating an order: add order offer, add order option, add order booking, and if you want to offer more yachts in one email, just click on wishlist. Now I click on order option to give you an example about the different features of the new order form. Decide if the order is for an own customer or an agency. I will now select the tab agent, put the initials of a test agent, select it, and then insert the name of the customer, Mr. Smith. By clicking on the yacht model, you see the essential data of the order. You can edit also the discount by clicking on discount. For closing, click again on discount bar. By clicking on the regarding bars like commission, extra or payments, you can also edit those features. By clicking on email body, you can edit the standard text template of the email to the agent and add, for example, the name of your personal contact in the regarding agency. Click on preview to see what you will send to the agency. Then close the preview and click on submit in order to send this email to the agent. We hope you enjoy working with our new order form.